Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul, and I haven't done a thrift haul in a while because, as you guys know, thrift stores and stuff have not been open, and so I haven't been able to thrift for a very long time. And I usually do like thrift hauls that are like accumulative, so things that I've gotten on multiple trips to the thrift store. And because I haven't been able to really go thrifting, these are all things that I picked up before you know, the quarantine thing started happening and all that kind of stuff. So these are all pretty old items, but I think I found some amazing things during those trips, so I thought I would share with you guys the things that I picked up that I haven't shared with you yet. So I'm gonna start out with clothes because clothes are always really fun. I only have one thing for my daughters, so if you guys don't like to watch like kid stuff, there's not really much kid stuff in this one. So the first thing that I picked up for myself was this white shirt. This is the brand Warm Essentials, but it's basically just this really like soft white long sleeve shirt, and I love like white t-shirts. I've always been a white t-shirt girl, especially with like a leather jacket or something like that. I just feel like white t-shirts are so plain and basic, but you can like dress them up. So I got this one because I live in Oregon and it's cold in Oregon, so it's long sleeved, but the thing about it is it's so soft. And it's kind of oversized, so it's not like perfectly fitted, so it kind of gives that like slouchy look. I was almost certain this wasn't worn before I picked it up. So yeah, it was like perfect condition. I can't remember the exact price of this, to be honest with you, because I took the tags off because I wore it. But yeah, really good deal. So this next item was something I was so excited about because my last leather jacket, you guys know I love leather jackets, I wear them all the time. It started peeling, and if you guys have like owned a fake leather jacket for a long time, they peel because it's not real leather. And so mine was peeling all down the back, and I did not want to get rid of that jacket because I loved it and I wore it pretty much every single day, but it definitely got to a point where it looked really bad. So I was like, I need to get a new leather jacket. So I went to Goodwill to see what I could find, and I found this amazing jacket. So this is not real leather either, so this might start peeling, you know, someday, but this is the brand Wildflower, and it is this amazing leather jacket. Now the reason I love this is because it's really thick, so it's gonna keep me really warm. It's not a jacket, it's more like a leather coat, which is really nice, but it looks like this, and it has this fur right here, which is amazing. It's just like black fur, and it's not cropped. I mean, it's just like to your waistline, and it has bigger sleeves so I can wear sweaters under it if I want to. I normally don't like when my coat sleeves are too big, but this is like perfect. They're not too tight, but they're not too loose. But the thing I love the most is this fur like collar. I just think it's so cute. So I love this, and it has silver hardware on it, which I wear a lot of gold, but when it comes to zippers and stuff, I prefer silver. But the thing I really like about this is it's not shiny. Like, it definitely has more of a matte look to it, and the silver hardware isn't like that really shiny silver. It's more of like that matte silver, which I appreciate. And I almost like this one more than my last one, which is saying a lot because I like did not want to give up that last leather jacket. So this was such a good find, and I found it like the first trip to the thrift store when I decided I need to get rid of my old leather jacket. So amazing. So the next thing I picked up was a oversized jean jacket. Now I love the look of like a good oversized jean jacket, but I never have owned one because I just never felt comfortable in them. But I was like, you know what, Carah, you need to like try out that trend and have fun with it. And so I ended up going to Goodwill, and I found this oversized denim jacket. This is the brand Chico's. It's for, you know, an older woman, so it's a little bit more oversized anyways, but when you put it on me, who's like a size small, it's really oversized, so it works really well. And it's just a black color, and I rolled up the sleeves here, and it just has like that really oversized look to it, but I really like that it's just plain, there's nothing else on it, and it really gives you that nice oversized look. You guys have probably seen this in there's cat hair on it. You guys have probably seen this in one of my Instagram posts. I had it on in a photo, and yeah, it's just a really cool oversized jacket, and it was really cheap. I didn't have to spend a fortune on it because it was from Goodwill. So you don't always have to buy the latest trends at, you know, your expensive stores. Just go to Goodwill and you'll be surprised what you can find. So this is the one item that I got for my daughters that I found. When I went last time, there wasn't a lot of stuff for the kids. Sometimes there's a ton of stuff, sometimes there's not. You just have to kind of play by ear. But this is a cute little green vest. I think this is from Target. This is, yeah, Cat and Jack, so it's a Target brand, but it's really cute. It has the elastic around the waist, so it kind of gives it a more fitted look. But this is going to be for Elena, and I just think this is so cute. She could wear it with a dress, a skirt. I mean, Elena's not really a dress person anymore, but she's been definitely experimenting with fashion a little bit, and she picks out her outfits during the day, and sometimes she'll put vests on over her clothes, and so I thought that she would really like this, and I think it's definitely her style. She's definitely more tomboyish now, and so I think that this will fit her style a lot, and she'll really like it. So now we're going to go into home decor. I have 4 pieces of home decor that I'm going to show you guys, and I hit the jackpot with home decor, you guys. So this first item that I want to show you, I actually saw at Goodwill like 6 months ago or so, and I said, no, Carah, don't buy it. It's a really good deal, but you don't really necessarily need it, so don't buy it. I've been really trying to say to myself when I'm thrifting, and I think this is really important, you know, do I need this item? Yes, it's cheap, but do I actually need it? And that's something that I think is always important to keep in mind. And so I ended up passing it up. But then I went back like, you know, right before quarantine started, and I saw another one. And I was like, don't pass it up. You regretted it last time, just buy it. You'll find something to use it for. And so I ended up buying it. And you guys are gonna see why in just a second. So this was $9.99, which is an amazing deal because if you know about these mirrors, you know that usually they're in the hundreds if you get them from like a really nice store. This was only $9.99. How could I not buy it? Like, I could honestly sell this at a garage sale for more. So it is one of these round mirrors right here, and it has the gold, you know, frame on it. These mirrors are super popular right now for home decor, and I really, really wanted to put this in our house somewhere. I have a lot of mirrors actually in my house right now, but I've had them for years, and so I thought it'd be kind of cool to switch it up a little bit. I'll show you guys. I have this square mirror right here, if you guys can see it. I've had that square mirror for ages, over 10 years, and I love it, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to maybe switch that one out for this round mirror, just to kind of change things up a little bit. And so I picked it up because I love it. I also think I'm going to maybe see if it fits in my downstairs bathroom. I'll just take off the square mirror that we have there and put this in its place. There's definitely things that I can do with this mirror. I could not pass it up. It was so cute, and it was only $9.99. Like, I can't even believe it. So this next item I picked up because I thought it was so cute for one, but I also needed and wanted a new vase for an orchid that Travis bought me for Valentine's Day. Now the orchid was beautiful, but it was in like this pink ceramic vase, and I'm not really a pink person, as you guys know, so I was like, I don't really like that vase. It doesn't go with my decor, and I'm gonna have this orchid out for a really long time. And if you guys know, orchids come in those little plastic things that you can like pull out of the vase. Well, I saw this at Goodwill, and I thought it would be perfect to put the orchid in. So I took it out of the pink vase, and I put it in this. It has this beautiful pattern on it. It's almost kind of retro, I feel like, but it is so pretty, and the orchid looks so good in this. I was so happy that I found this, and I thought, you know, even when I get rid of the orchid, like if it stops growing or dies or whatever, I can use this for makeup brushes, I can use this for Elena's markers. There's so many things that you can use like stuff like this for, so I had to pick it up, and my orchid looks so cute in it. So this next item I was looking at, and do you ever go to Goodwill and you're like, do I like that or do I not like that? Like, I can't decide if I like that or not. And that's the feeling I had with this particular item. I was looking at it and I was so drawn to it, and I was like, is that cute or is that not cute? Like, I don't know. But I ended up buying it because I decided it was cute. And you guys know that I make candles a lot, and I've been making candles a lot during quarantine. I go through candles like crazy because I love it when my house smells really good, and so I just go through candles like crazy. I don't buy candles anymore, I just make them, and so I thought this would be the cutest little candle holder. So it is this little mushroom. It's like a silvery bronze mushroom, I don't know, and it's so cute, but the cute thing is it has this little mushroom lid, and I thought I could just put a candle in there, and I have a little mushroom candle. It has this weird notch right here. I don't know what that's for, but this might be used for something else. I don't know, but I just thought this was so cute, and it's a little mushroom and with a little candle inside. I just thought it'd be so cute. I picked up this cute little basket. So this is a ZZ plant, and I absolutely love ZZ plants. They're so beautiful, and they're so easy to take care of. If you're new to plants and you don't know what to buy a ZZ plant because you never have to water them, and they're really easy to take care of, and they're just beautiful. I absolutely love them. But this didn't come with a like container. It just came in like a plastic pot, you know, like those ugly black plastic pots. So I wanted something to store it in, and I was at Goodwill and I saw this basket and I was like, I think that ZZ plant will fit in there, and it did. It fit perfectly. It's like the perfect fit. So I just slid the little plastic pot in there and it's adorable. I absolutely love this. I love the color. Like when I see baskets at Goodwill, I love this light wicker. I just think it looks really good with my home decor style, kind of like the whites and the grays. I just think the white wicker looks really good, and it just makes this plant so much cuter. So last but not least, I picked up the Nickel Boys by Colson Whitehead, and he wrote The Underground Railroad, I believe. Is that what it was called? I'm pretty sure. This is a very hard-hitting book. Like, that's all I'm gonna say about it. Like, you can look this up online if you guys want to. But I heard this is really good. And like, you know how sometimes you're like, do I want to read that? Like, that sounds like horrific. But at the same time, it gets so many good reviews and you're like trying to decide if it's something that you want to read. Well, I saw this at Goodwill. And so I was like, you know what? Just pick it up. It was only $2.99. So I was like, you've heard good things. You kind of are interested, you're curious, so why don't you just pick it up? It's only $2.99. So picked it up, and I'm gonna read this at some point, who knows when, but $2.99 is such a good deal, and I'm all about buying books secondhand because it just makes sense to me. So we'll see. If any of you guys have read this, let me know what you guys thought of it, because it doesn't sound like the easiest of reads, but it does sound like an interesting read, and I've heard good things about it. So here's my front door is right here, and I have a window right here, and my fruit delivery guy just walked up and saw me filming, so that is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to start thrifting again on a regular basis. I think thrifting is one thing that I missed the most during this quarantine, like just wandering around a thrift store and looking at everything. I just miss it, you guys, a lot. So this is all the stuff that I picked up before the quarantine happened. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what else you guys want to see on this channel, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!